Okay, I think we're very happy and proud to launch our 2026 range of summer ACs. It's almost about 125 different SKUs, and it covers the entire range from our flagship range to our signature range, which is Iconia, which you see behind us, and also our smart range. We're very confident that this is a category that we are very strong in, and looking cautiously forward to a great summer. And I think really looking to repeat the double-digit growth that both the category and Blue Star has been known for. Thank you.
Today we're launching about 125 new models of air conditioners. About 50 of them are enabled with smart Wi-Fi. Smart Wi-Fi offers a lot of features like customized sleep, energy management, controlling the AC from anywhere that you're sitting. And we believe we've kept the price very, very aggressive at a differential of just 990 rupees. We believe that the smart Wi-Fi market will come up and we will be leaders in that segment as well. So that's the entire range. 50 models out of the 125 models that we're launching today are smart Wi-Fi enabled. We have a large range of energy efficiency product. We have hot and cold products. We have heavy duty air conditioners and ACs with antivirus technology.